Since you love the market videos so much, guess what? In today's video, I'm visiting another market, and that there behind me is the Vasco Fish Market. And I went in, and it really reminded me of one of the markets that I have visited in the UAE. So this is going to be fun. Make sure you stay tuned till the end because I'm going to cover the fish market, I'm going to go that side, cover the vegetable market, and let's see what are the interesting things that we get to see along the way. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. This looks like a fairly new market. The structure here looks very new, and as soon as you enter on the right here, you will get to see mangoes. Mangoes, cashews, bananas are literally everywhere, guys. And I know the rate of the mangoes, but I'll still ask her. कितले है का डझन? 350. So these look like mankorads, 350, but I am not really interested in buying mangoes. I really want to buy fish today because I have been designated with the task of buying fish. Look at this. This is called the guitar fish. I have caught that lovely crabs here, and these are catfish. Always end up catching a lot of catfish. Just look at the number of crabs that are there over here. Auntie, कितले वांट्याक? 200. So these are for 200. आणि कोकारा कितले? 500. ओके. कमी करताय? वय हांव जाणा फ्रेश हा. कमी करताय? So these are trevally. These are for 500 rupees for 3. राव हांव पळयता. So let me just. हांव पळयता राव. कितले कोकारा?
500 रुपया 5 आहे.
So they all saying 500 for trevally. आणि पाम्पलेटा कितले? 500.
ఎక్కువ అట్ట ఉల్ల కాబట్టి.
Okay, हांव पळयता राव. So I want to buy some fish.
तामके फ्रेश.
Boy, these are fresh. हे किंचन?
तामचे 500.
500. Okay. So these are all 500. आणि सुंगटां? 500. हांव चेक करून येता. So I really want to buy fish today because we have run out of our seafood stock in the fridge, and just look at how much fish they have. So really nice variety, kingfish here, pomfrets here, and look at this. This one is so fresh. This is called it's not a very pleasant name that I know, but the spikes on this one, look at this. This is alive. I don't know the English name, but if you get stung with this spike, guys, it burns like crazy. And those of you who know, this is called mutro because if you get spiked by one of these, you will end up running to the washroom. This one as well, the spikes are very bad. I forgot the name of this fish, but I'm really pleased to see the variety that I'm getting to see here. See, look at this. This was even jumping right now. And this is Sonak, guys. So super crazy. They have a lot of kokar, it's called locally, trevally, squids here. So it's really nice. Let's see. I'm happy with the prices. She's saying 500, but I think I can bargain and get it for more. These are 100. Velio, no? These are called velio. These are for 100. So as you can expect in a fish market, there is noise for sure, but I'm really liking the freshness of the fish that I'm seeing here. Pomfrets as well. Very nice. So like I said, the fish market is very good. So many vendors here, so many options. These are ladyfish. So it's ladyfish and trevally and mackerel that I'm seeing. Prawns. Kitlang 100? So these are 100. This is also 100. Poeta or Royata. So all this, the price is ranging. Pampleta कितले? 500.
बारीक जाऊ ताजे पापलेट. फ्रेश पापलेट.
ओके, हांव येता राव.
अरे बाबा.
येता राव, चेक करून येता सगळ्याकडे. Prawns as well. So the rates are like 500, 100. Interesting rates. Mackerel is something I don't want. Yeah, this is what I want. Auntie, कितले आहे का?
500.
कमी करी ना?
ना बाबा 4 गाय ताजी कोकराची.
So this auntie has a good deal. There are 4 and these are for 500. Okay, दो राव येता. Sure येता. So I like her rates. 4 for 500. आणि पाम्पलेटा? 500. Okay. So these are small pamphlets. And I think before someone takes it, I'm going to take this. Yeah, and let me show you the. Uncle already took it. I wanted to get the cocker, but uncle already took it. Auntie, हांव घेता हे मग म्हाका चेंज करून दिता ओ पीस
तो काय जावंक ना बाबा
ना फ्रेश ना न्हू पळय न्हू
ते गोंय रोखडे हे जाताय बाबा त्यांचे ताची ती आतां फोण्या ती
ओके सो I ended up taking this 500 for 4 is a good deal 4 cocker for 500 and looked like a very good deal and uncle snatched it before me so and I ended up taking as well but I'll still show you the rest of the market. I've taken my stuff. I'll still show you though what is there. Here you can see again lots of trevally lady fish and then these guys if you fry it with semolina 100 rupees for these are one of my favorites as well. Pomfrets of course every one of us like and clams here and there's shark fish as well. Some of you guys must be really liking shark fish. To be honest I am not a big fan. Squids over here again there are cocker right here. कितले आंटी आहे का 500 कितल्यांक दिता 500 कितले 4 5 4 okay so auntie has the same deal here what we just got those look bigger no thank you. Look at the size of this crab how huge this is. So I'm feeling a bit of FOMO because I think this auntie who was seated here she had a little bigger cocker but I've already ended up so like I said you know there is good variety here as well and this auntie even has dry fish here so if you've eaten kishmore and fried these lizard fish bombil with dal and rice guys that's my absolute comfort food. Okay. No. So there's a trick guys, I don't know if it is applicable here in these markets but in Bombay my mom has told me to visit markets a bit late by around 12:31. That's when you know these guys they shut for the day and you might end up getting a good deal. We saw these fish in Margao as well, moonfish. So yes, nice to see this bombil again. These fried in semolina, deep fried are so damn tasty. Getla auntie, getla. So just in the corner here, auntie has so many prawns. She's right here in the corner. Thank you. And look at this. So I am right here in the corner and look at how big the fish market is. There was an exit right at the side and I've gotten out because I think I have shown you almost everything and right here in front of me are lots of vegetables. So let's check out the prices of vegetables. There are fruits as well and jackfruit. Recently one of our relatives got jackfruit for us. So Auntie Rita if you're watching thank you so much for the jackfruit but I'll still ask the price. Auntie eka kitle? पणसा कितले ना फकत रेट सांग कितले ताका 300 okay so yes I know the price it's around 300 this one is 300 as well and mangoes and lady fingers here okay thank you and lots of coconuts guys I'm assuming many of you guys watching from Goa must be having their own coconut trees we do but in case if you want coconuts you can come here and this is very nice breadfruit neer ponos कितले आहे का आंटी कितला एक पिसा 250 कमी करी ना 250 rupees she says for one piece I think is a bit expensive but they are a bit bigger in size okay thank you na asundi 250 I felt was a bit higher price because when we went to Pedne market we got that for 150 similar size. Brinjals guys I've been growing these brinjals we got so many if you have a vacant plot I highly suggest during summers you plant brinjals and lady fingers you will end up getting so much like we ate so much we literally got fed up eating bhindi and brinjals that's how much we got okay now this is near the entrance of the fish market and it's all full of mangoes. So there's cucumber here and this auntie is selling seasonal fruits that is called jamun there. And auntie and uncle were having some serious discussion. I had to get out of the way. But yes, look at the mango. And I think these look like Alfonso, and those there are Mankurad. So the price right now nowadays is ranging between 400 to 300 if you can bargain. And these look like Lalbag. These are a bit cheaper. Even this gentleman here, right at the entrance of the fish market, has a full one for 300. And this year, हे किती आंबाड आहे नु?
ना ते तोरण
तोरा ओके.
रॉ मँगो ते
पिकल केलं सॉल्ट वॉटर हां ते कितला विकता?
ते 100 रुपये
8 ओके ओके
10 पीस.
okay okay so these are like raw mangoes. He's put in salted water and he's selling around 8 to 10 pieces for 100 rupees. Okay, thank you. So he is the guy here sitting right at the entrance of the fish market. I'm guessing there is a bus stop over here because there are many buses that are parked over here. This is the first time I'm visiting Vasco, guys, and like I said, you know, each and every market has its own charm, has its own feeling. It's really nice to explore all these places. And I had parked my bike somewhere that side, so I'm going to go that side because there was some meat sections there as well, meat shops. So I'll show you what is there ahead. The fish market is there that side, and I just came walking from this way, and there's this very old Portuguese style building, and I'm walking through this path because, guys, it is very hot. It rained in Goa recently, but the sun is out today and it's very hot. And here there are some stalls where you can buy all these things like combs and scissors and these kind of accessories. Adrian wanted something like a black rubber bangle sort of a thing. I don't know why she's looking for that, but I don't think this guy has it. Belts here, sunglasses, cheap sunglasses. And this way as well, all along this path, there are different stalls. Let's see what is there here. So around this time of the year, you'll find all the seasonal varieties. I've already shown you these. Again, coconuts here. And here you can buy some Indian wear. So those of you who are watching from the UK, if you want some really cool looking Indian wear, if you're attending any Indian weddings, these are the kind of shops then that you can visit. And some of them have their in-house tailors as well. You can get the fit customized. What's this over here? Looks like a chemist shop. And it's such a good feeling to walk through these narrow paths because you really don't know what you'll come across, and every place, like I said, has a different feel altogether. Looks like the sun is hiding behind the clouds now. That was really necessary because it's very hot. Again, now we've come towards an area which is the market area. How do I know? Because I had parked my bike somewhere that side. And here in this line there are many jewelry shops, cashew shops. I don't know the rates of cashews here, but in North Goa around Kalangut, Mapsa is definitely the place to buy cashews. So all jewelry shops are there over here. If you are interested in getting some bling, this is the section. Okay, so I had parked my bike around this side. Now let's enter this section of the market. This is where you can find all the meat. I don't really know like how good these shops are, but in case if you are from Vasco, do let us know which shop is good for buying meat. Okay, let's move further. Look at this. So these are the shops. The butchers are right here, and aunties over here are selling some coconut oil, vinegar. Auntie, कितले का coconut oil no? कितले त्याचे bottle? ना ओडली 150. Okay, she's saying 150. This is 200. Okay, okay, thank you. And here as well on either side you can buy all of this coconut oil and vinegar. Like I said, this is my first time visiting Vasco market Golden, because when I was passing by I saw a lot of people here, and even right now there are many people inside, so I'm assuming that the stuff here might be good. I'm really tempted to try the patties. And look at this, there are multiple shops like these. Here you can get your umbrellas, your raincoats. Again, there's a little bakery here. I got my water bottle from this shop. So once you're shopping, in case if you're tired and if you want some snacks to have on the go, you can come towards this section. And on this side there are people selling raincoats and clothes. This is reminding me of Margao, guys. Narrow lanes, but in these narrow lanes you'll find so many different things. There's footwear here. Nice looking pair of shorts. Not original, but something that is quite useful during your holidays. Wow, I was not at all expecting this sort of a section here in Vasco. This is very similar to what we experienced in Margao. And if you're looking for some cookware, these are the shops that I recommend. If you're taking, if you can take it with you to your home country, you will find so many things here. Like this one is used for rolling chapatis. It's a rolling pin. Obviously you have all this in your countries as well, but I am sure the rates here in India will be way lower. Look at these vessels, so huge. This one is very useful. We use it to steam our idlis and other Goan delicacies. Look at this. So this is a shop where they are selling firecrackers, umbrellas, guys. I want to get one of these small umbrellas maybe later. I did buy a raincoat yesterday from Kalangut for 250 rupees.
इसमें 10 देंगे,
Excuse me.
साइज बड़ा है.
Sorry. Now again we've gotten out near the jewelry section. So I think I've pretty much covered the main areas. That's what I saw on Google. If there is anything more interesting to cover, let me just check it online and see if I can visit those areas. It's going to be a long ride back for me from Vasco to Kalangut, but the ride was very good. I saw Saint Jacinto's Island on the way as well. Maybe next time I can visit that, and I hope you enjoyed the market tour. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.